back. I'm Running Time Gamer, and today we're going to be doing a tier list on One Piece. I'm a huge One Piece fan. I have the books, I have the figures, and I have the shoes. So let's get into the video. From the weakest in D tier to the strongest in F tier. First up, we have Kobe. So this is post-time skip Kobe. I do think he's not the strongest. He's not the weakest either. I would put him in C. Katakuri. He's not A tier. I know the ones that I'll be putting in A tier, but he's a strong character. He's Big Mom's strongest son. I would say A tier. Who are you again? Just because of how unmemorable you are, I can't give him a proper thing. I'll wait until the end. Aren't you the God, there's so many characters in One Piece. I can't serve him proper justice either. I haven't got to that point in the thingy, though I do know of some characters that I haven't seen yet. I've only just got through Dressrosa. And I'm only an Alabasta on my manga. I won't be able to serve you proper no, wait, no, I might. Okay. I think you're around the same level as Kobe, but a bit weaker, I would say. Remember, I can't serve either of these two justice. I'll put them at the back. Once I can't serve justice, I'll put the back. I know you. Wait, aren't you Aren't you the guy that gets strong? You're at the moment B tier, but in the future that can become an S tier. Bonnie. No, I'm pretty sure it's Bonnie. Yeah, it's just age. You can change your age. I don't really know where I could put you. I'll put you behind, just ahead of Kobe. I'll give you. Now, Ace is a tricky one, as Kishimoto just slaughtered him for no reason at all. Okay, he turned him into a donut. He must like fire donuts. But you seemed like you were around at that time. You were around the scale of, let's go with, for example, current Boa, and that's around mid of the table, but yeah. Kizaru, Admiral could probably take you out, but he's not in S tier because Admirals are under Yonkos. Yonkos can beat Admirals unless it's the Admiral, which is in S tier as well. You, I forgot your name. I can't serve you proper justice yet. Can't serve you proper justice either. You're a backbone in C tier. You and Mr. Law Kid were able to beat Charlotte Lin or Big Mama. So I will put you in back of A tier. No, back of A tier. you can change the gender of anybody you want, which is pretty powerful. So we haven't seen a proper display of power from her just yet. B tier, middle of the table. Admiral Akainu, Fleet Admiral Akainu. You're at the top of the table. Not full top. I forget your name, but I'm pretty sure you used to be like really strong in Roger's generation. Oh God, where do I put you? You're a good character. You're pretty strong. I'll put you in A tier. I think. Oops. No. I can't serve you proper justice. Crocodile. Now he's probably gotten stronger since he was soaking wet by Luffy in the Alabasta arc. So I'll put him in back of C tier. We haven't seen a good display of power from you. I forget your name, but I'll put you around the same level as Kobe. A bit worse though. Koji. This is the only thing, as he was nearly the Fleet Admiral. He's the same level as Akainu pretty much. Smoker, you're not the strongest character, so I can't say much. But you're stronger than Crocodile. You're stronger than him, and I wouldn't say you're stronger than him. There. Weevil, son of Whitebeard. You're strong. I'll put you there, B tier. Blackbeard, straight to S tier. Don't need to explain why. Akainu can't be Blackbeard, and neither can Akaji. We couldn't see your true power because Luffy's just immune to you. Like Luffy is rubber. You shoot electricity out of your hands like it's a gun. I would say A tier, but then a lot of you guys are gonna be like, "Oh, he's not an A tier. He's B tier." Which fine. What's your hell is your name? I need to Roger, straight into A tier. Ben Beckman. I'm pretty sure that's his name. You are strong. You're able to scare Akainu from attacking. I'm pretty sure attacking at one point in the show because you just aimed your gun at him, which I'm pretty sure you can imbue the bullets with Haki. Ahead of there. Right. Next up we have Monkey D. Dragon. We haven't seen any of his strength yet, apart from in Logtown. We saw him just cast a whole storm, which is like, what the hell, man? That's mean, and you're also very strong. Next up, this is our first D tier. He lost pretty bad to Luffy at that time, and I have to say he hasn't shown any strength. He's just stayed down in D tier. Rob Lucci. Oh, you're a good one. You've definitely improved since you fought Luffy in Impel. No, not Impel. In whatever that was. War 7. You barely lost to Luffy in Water 7. You pushed him to his limits, and you've definitely improved since then. I'd say on around the level of you. Oh, hello there, Mr. Ghosty man. Okay. Hello. I'm trying to think. I mean, we could put him. C top, no. C, yeah, C tier for him. C tier. Usopp Jr. Right, where do we put Usopp Jr.? You giraffe boy. Giraffe goes there. He's not the strongest, but he's not weak. He definitely isn't weak. Right. I got your name. Are you Odin? No. I think Odin's somewhere. Is it Odin? No. I don't think it's Odin. I'm pretty sure there's another one that looks like Odin. I think it is actually Odin. You can correct me here, but I do think this is Odin. And if it is Odin, he's 80. I think, yeah, 80. He barely lost to Kaido. And the only reason he lost is because he was protecting the whole thing and he got burning apart. Don't know enough about you. Or you. Know loads about you. I'm just about to end the Rose of Arc. And I think personally you're bottom of BT. Kuma. Kuma la la fiesta. Kuma. I say you put him beat it, right? No, there. Just because of the power he showed in the first half, and how he protected the ship until the after the time skip, and he's still pretty strong. I say there. Monkey D. Garp, another one on the level of Roger. Goldie Roger in his prime. He's right next to Roger. And why is Roger no? There, no. We're carrying on them in their prime. So there, that. Marco. You're a big scary phoenix. And you can heal yourself and your other things. You have you have the abilities of the flame fruit, and you can fly. 80. Don't think you can meet Haku. No, you probably can. What do I put? Yeah, another detail, I think. No, not detail. There, right there. Wait, yeah, okay. I don't remember your name, so can you please tell me your name? I think we put you. I don't know much about you. Okay, little lads, Mr. Wishy-washy, fishy-fashy. You, I forgot your name. You're in 80 right there. Don Flamingo. Strong. Very strong. Kaido Sama. Kaido. He is buff. He beat Odin though. Big Mom. There. Mink. Got your name. Thing, but I'll put you under Kobe. There. Fujitora. There. Who's he? Can't see him properly. Can't see him properly. Can't see him properly, so I'll put him there for no. I'll put him down. No, I'll put him in C tier. That's the average. C tier is the average One Piece character at the moment. No. Can't see the character. What's that? I think this might be Odin. This is Odin. So you... No, that's not Odin. You're pretty badass, so I'll put you there. Same here. I can't see the actual character. I'll put him C tier as well. Look, I'm sorry, but I just can't tell what those two characters are. That might be Odin. That might be Odin. This might be Odin, but I'm saying he's Odin. You know what? Just to clarify, he's Odin, he's that other character that they picked up along the way. Odin, other character. Next up on the Sanji's brothers, he's pretty strong, mid-tier. Let's go! Next up we have this little princess thing. You're strong, I guess. There. Don't know your name, so we can't judge you very well. Okay, no. Wait. Queen is... That's either Queen or King, but I'm pretty sure it's King because that's the guy that Zoro thought. And no, he thought whoever he's called, whatever one it is, I got them mixed up. He is strong, and I mean he is strong. He's Ruby level. Law. Can imagine you beating Katakuri if you can just chop him up a bit. There. Forgot your name, but you're around C tier, I guess. Boa Hancock. You're strong. Bottom of B tier. Mihawk. ST. Whitebeard. Roger and Garp level. Sanji. Vince smokes Sanji. A tier. Chopper. B tier. The iconic monster point thing is still affecting me. Luffy. 80, he's above. I'm moving them around. I have to remember Luffy's in Gear 5. No, I'll keep him there. He has more to improve though in the series. Brook! This spooky, scary skeleton. You fall off, Big Mum. You fall off, Big Mum. No accident. You fall off, Big Mum, you go right there. Nico Robin. Your hands can be useful if you use them properly. Like, in the fight against... No, you can kill anybody if you use those, the Hana and Nomi properly. Because you can have the arms, massive arms grow out the opponent's back, and then just... That's all you have to do. If you use it properly, you'd be the top of the list. It's the most powerful fruit, in my opinion. But to be fair, you want the strongest, and I don't think you're that. Zoro. Boom. Frankie. I like your big robot. Forgot your name, can't give you. Nami! Here. Why did I put you there? There. God D Usopp. S tier. Top of S tier. Buggy. S tier as well. Next up, we have. I've seen the arc, and I remember and everything. I remember the whole arc pretty much. It's a very memorable arc. Can't remember your name, but I don't remember you being a really strong fighter, and I don't think you were able to be I don't think you will be able to beat Arnold. Shanks! Here. There we go. You're like Luffy's little servant. You follow him wherever he goes. But you're more like... there. I know your character, I just forgot your name. There. Hold on. Is he the big rock guy? No, I'm pretty sure that was. I can't serve you justice just yet. I need to just do the rest of the list first. You. Now you're the person that becomes Big Rock. The Big Rock. I'm pretty sure. Pretty easily defeated. I'll put you at there. Queen or King? You're under Sanji, cause Sanji beat you. There. Really? Probably beat Luffy still at his old Sabo, a bit better than Ace. I'm so sorry for all the Ace fans. I'm an Ace fan as well. He's an amazing character and they shouldn't have killed him off so early. We would have known so much more when he probably would have been an S tier. Oh god damn it! Why is it only the mouth? Only the mouth. Is it Joy Boy? Is it Joy Boy? If it's Joy Boy, then here. Is it Joy Boy? I'm pretty sure it's Joy Boy. There you go. Kill her. There. Biggest weakness is Robin. Because he's a manly man. And if you watched the episode in which Frankie joined the crew, then you know why I say that. Can't judge you very well. I'm pretty sure you're there. Give you that. Sen Goku! There you go. He looks strong and he looks like he's in a recent episode. That would mean like a year ago or something. There. All of you! Here we go. Boom. 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 This is from my, how did it look? Like, boom. 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 No, wait, no. I'm gonna get angry for this. Boom. Is this baby 5? I'm pretty sure that's baby 5. You look pretty strong. You're just a sado. There. Okay, that's my review on One Piece's strongest characters. The ones that I did at the end aren't accurate because I didn't remember one except Baby 5 because I just realised it was Baby 5. I think I ranked them pretty accurately, and I forgot to mention earlier, but I even have the cards. So I will be on game and see you guys next time.